with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with a demolding. I was on a live with Donna, who is Donna Powered by Creativity here on YouTube. She does a live every Monday night at 7 p.m. And we enjoy fellowshipping with each other, talking about what we're making, what we're creating. And we always have a special guest. Not always, maybe 95% of the time we have a special guest on. So Monday night I was the special guest and we did resin. So I needed to make something for a swap I'm in. And so that was the perfect timing to go ahead and have my turn at being on Donna's channel. So I promised everybody I would do a demolding video. So here we are. So the first thing I poured was these trinket trays. So let's go ahead and do that. They are solid. Solid as a rock. Yes. So I know Donna probably has already done hers, but y'all know my resin takes 24 to 48 hours. I came in the next day and no, mine were all bendy and all that because there was no way to do it. It wasn't. And I think it's because of my craft house, guys. The temperature fluctuates because it's cold outside and then I have a heater on while I'm in here crafting. But when I leave, I turn the heater off. And I don't want to leave any heaters on. So that's the bottom. Here's the top. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that mint color. Oh, perfect. Look at that dish, guys. Do y'all see that shine? Beautiful. So I went on ahead and did a couple. It's hard to, you got to break that seal that's on the silicone. But I do love the silicone molds. They're easier than those hard plastic ones. You just have to break that seal. I know y'all see it releasing there. So that's perfect. And they're very flexible. Trying to get it off of here. It's stuck on there because it's vacuum sealed. That's what I love about silicone. Alright, so that was the bottom. Here's the top. That is so pretty. Look at that holographics. That is so pretty. So that's the second one. This was the leaf. So let's go ahead and release this one. Again, it's been 48 hours. Ooh, that turned out good. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at the detail on there. I used, of course, PDB glitter. But I used a new one that I got called Avatar for this one. And it is a color shifting. So I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but it's green and purple. And my first thought was of dragons, you know, when I poured it. But isn't that beautiful? That's a beautiful trinket tray. Alright, so then I'm going to do these. I'm so excited for this demolding. Ouch! This thing sucked my finger right on that point. Jeez. Gotta pull it. Gotta go off camera just a second, guys. It's just because of how tight it is. But they're not hard. It's just that suction grip that you get. You just have to take your time and get it off. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Love how it just pops back. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love it. It looks like a little tulip flower or whatever kind of flower you want to call it. But isn't that beautiful? And you put tea lights in there, guys. So I made two same color. Don't do that same finger like that because my finger's still throbbing. Smashed it right back down on top of that pedal. Okay. So once it releases, it's good. Oh my gosh, these turned out beautiful. Absolutely loving. I'm just loving that shape. Okay. I'm putting it back. Really? That's what you want to do to me right now? Okay, I can push it back later. Just want to act crazy. Crazy. Okay. Third one. And I think we did we do black? I think this was a holographic glitter as well. I can see the different shade. Whoa! Now I think that was supposed to be, I wonder if you can see, I think I can see different colors. Did I use this for it? This might be Avatar. This might just be another holographic green. I think this is Avatar, because I can see the purples in it more. Oh yeah, I think this one's Avatar. Oh, I love that dish. And of course, this is the test because I burn it. I shouldn't have used it. Oh, yay, it came out. Yay, Donna. I forgot that PPD told me you're not supposed to put heat on her molds. This is one that I got from PDB Glitter. And you're not supposed to put heat to it. And I'm like, well, how the heck do you pop the bubbles? You have to use some alcohol or whatever. And I forgot during the live, and I did my torch over. But luckily, nothing happened. So we did the Mickey Mouse head. Look at that. It's too cute. Love it. This was a mold that I... Okay, so I got some resin on here. And it just ripped my mat. Now, this is a silicone mat. Why it did that rip? Jeez Louise. Okay, I got another one. I got a couple of them. But it doesn't matter. I don't have to put nothing there. This is one that I made with the... what do you call that? The putty that they do. Amazing craft. Amazing something. Amazing putty, I think is what it's called. Ew. I don't know if I like this one. And you know, if your molds are shiny, they come out shiny. So this is not shiny. It's a beautiful rose. All I have to do is put some more resin on top. You know, paint it on or spray it with a clear gloss or whatever. But just putting a little shine on it will make all of that glitter pop. I needed an extra, you know, you're always supposed to have extra molds around you in case you make a little bit too much resin. So that's what I did with it. And then the last one, this is the first time I'm pouring in this one, guys. And I did not do both of them. I just wanted to do one. Oh my gosh, I'm ready. I'm ready for this to see. Oh, it comes out real nice. I got this one from Let's Resin. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. I absolutely love it. This is an incense holder. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to put that up. So, of course, what I'm going to do is just add a little gold. Put it on my finger. Rub some gold on here so that you can see those designs. Can y'all see the designs that's on it? I don't know if you can. I don't know if you can. The light hits it. But here it is on the mold. Let me turn it that way so you can look this way if y'all can see it. I hope you can. But that's awesome. I'm loving that. Look how thick it is. Oh, yeah. I need to make some more of these. I might pour in it again and do a different color. But I'm loving that I can just do some gold over the top. But I'm going to have to do some more. So if I mess this one up, it won't be the end of it. It ain't never the end of the world. But you know what I'm saying. So y'all, what do you think? I told you I would do it on camera. And I think these turned out wonderful. Donna, you know who that's for. I love it, love it, love it. So y'all let me know what you think. Which one is your favorite out of these that I poured? Not poured. I did pour, but these that I demolded. Please let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye.